And now for something completely different. For those of you that have seen my other videos, I do restorations, I do electronics work, I do hardware, software work for old computers. This is going to be something different today. I wanted to expand my horizons and try my hand at a new skill that I haven't done before, and that is leatherworking. Why does that make sense for retro, you may ask? I have this old laptop that I love, and after working on dozens of them over the years, I have seen this specific kind of leather wrap style case only once. And I have worked on so many of these. I have been searching eBay and Yahoo Japan auctions for them for the better part of a decade, and they just never appear. They never come up. This one came with it and one of my purchases on eBay, and I didn't even know existed. And for that computer, that's pretty rare for me. I wanted to try my hand at making it because honestly, the case design itself is pretty cool, but the execution on the old cases is not that great. And I would like something that is going to hold up over time. So under the guise of wanting to learn a new skill and making something for a piece of hardware from 1990s that I really love, we're going to try it out. So this is my first foray into leatherworking. So it's probably going to be a little rough around the edges, but honestly, I'm super happy with how it came out. Also new today is the desk for my workbench that you're going to see. And I wanted to thank FlexiSpot for sending this one over, and I'll be talking about my experience with it a little bit more at the end of the video. So whether you're into old computers or leatherworking or just really cool kind of craft projects, I hope you enjoyed this one because it was an absolute ton of fun. I'm really happy with how it turned out. There's definitely room for improvement, but yeah, let's dig in. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to thank FlexiSpot for sending over their new E7 Pro standing desk. I've been looking for a new desk for my office for quite some time, and FlexiSpot reached out, and so I thought I'd give it a try. I really needed something that was sturdy, right? That could handle a ton of weight and not shake around as I was doing all of the things that I do on my workbench in my office. The FlexiSpot desk is super stable. It can handle up to 440 pounds, even with the motors. And I was really happy with how it performed when I was hammering or clamping things onto it or leaning on it or anything like that. It's a super stable desk, and honestly, it looks great. It's got pretty much everything I need. It's got the cable tray in back. It comes with a magnetic cable sleeve to hide away all of the actual cables of the desk itself. And it's got a ton of options for the wood that you can use on the top. For my model, I chose the black legs and the dark bamboo, and I think it looks great in my office. If you or someone you know are in the need of a standing desk, go to flexispot.com. They're having a Black Friday sale right now, and so they've got a ton of discounts. On the site, they have guides that can tell you what type of desk you should get, and they've got a ton of options in colors and different wood types and sizes, so I would definitely recommend going there and giving it a shot, and they've got a great return policy too. So thanks again to FlexiSpot for the office upgrade. This is one I'm going to stick with. And if you like the video, please add a like and subscribe. It helps me reach more people on YouTube and allows me to keep producing content like this. So I'll see you in the next one.